I'm Johnny Stevens, the Pullman School District teacher on special assignment for math, curriculum, and instruction. And because of the limited availability and social distancing, we're trying to provide an opportunity for you to see some of the actual physical copies of the Bridges math materials that we are in the process of adopting K-5. I have a sample of 5th grade materials and then kindergarten materials. Every grade level K-5 has the same materials. Obviously the quantity is different in kindergarten as opposed to 5th grade, and I will show you that. There is a teacher's guide that comes in a binder for our teachers, obviously, and it goes over planning, to what degree each topic is introduced, and then this is a sample of what a lesson page might look like in a 5th grade classroom with the problem strings and then the pictures that go along with what they may be doing, and then the daily practice. So the daily practice will be found then in the student book. And the student book pages look something like this for what they might do to practice a skill. In this case, it's volume, a big idea in 5th grade. And then they also have other pages like this where they may be designing a flag, or in this case, evaluating Sophie's work to see if she did it right. So those are the types of things that you can find in the student books. And there are 2 pages of student books for 5th grade. So that's for extra practice. The other important part of Bridges is the number corner. Number corner is a big piece. It's 20 minutes a day, including what they call 5 workouts. This is maybe what it would look like in the classroom in 5th grade. It sounds similar to a calendar activity, but it's much more in depth than that. It has 5 workouts that go with each activity, and lots of really great interactive things for our students to see math in real life. And this teacher has a guide for that. And then what goes along with Number Corner would then be also a student book, where they could do practice and be recording things as they're doing the activity. So that's Number Corner. And then the other item that comes in the packet for our teachers is an assessment guide. And there's an assessment for Number Corner, and there's also assessments for the teacher's guide. So what might happen is it would give you a pre-test, or in this case it's a baseline assessment, and then it is a scoring guide and what Common Core state standards are being met by that and what it looks like. So it's very detailed and specific, and gives you information on exactly what we can do to support students' growth. And they also have some support on how we report to families, which is, I think, an important piece of this program. And then another lesson assessment. Those were Number Corner assessments. This is a lesson assessment, how you might assess, and then we would have a reflection sheet for students to give some input on their work also. And then related somewhat to the assessment guide then is a home connection pages. And these are, for each teacher to use as they see fit for each student, and they include more practice related to what was done in class today. So those are the 3 pieces that are part of each one. As you can see, the kindergarten student book, much smaller than 5th grade for a reason, and with much more visual activities where they color and do patterns like that. So these are the materials that would come to teachers and that they would use with students in the classroom. More details on the topics and things like that covered can be found at the mathlearningcenter.org, and you should find that link on the website for Pullman School District. Thank you.